In this video, we'll walk through installing and using the ShareFile plugin for Microsoft Outlook. Before we get started, here are some system and account requirements you'll need to meet in order to use the latest version of the plugin. To download the plugin, sign in to ShareFile, then head to the Apps page. Here, you can download the latest version of the plugin. Download the installation file to your computer. Before you launch the installer, make sure that Microsoft Outlook is closed. Run the installer and complete the installation steps. When you're all done, launch Microsoft Outlook. You can now sign in with your ShareFile account credentials. If the login box does not appear when you launch Outlook, you may need to click the Plugin Options button in your Outlook toolbar. Once you're all signed in, you can adjust your plugin settings and default behaviors using this button. The ShareFile Outlook plugin allows you to share files, request files, and initiate workflows right from a typical Outlook email message. Open up a new message to see these actions in your toolbar. Let's try sending a file. Access this menu and choose whether you want to send a file already stored in your account or send a file currently located on your computer. Depending on which option you choose, you'll need to select the file in the appropriate menu. The file that you selected will appear in the body of your message, enclosed in the ShareFile banner. Aspects of this banner can be customized by an admin in the ShareFile web app. The plugin will use message settings and security options based on your account defaults. If you want to change your settings for a single message, you can always do so at the Settings menu. When you're ready, send the email. If you're sending a file currently located on your computer, your email will pause in the outbox while the file is uploaded to the file box. The time it takes to upload depends on the size of your file, as well as your internet connection speed. When the file is uploaded and the link has been verified by the ShareFile system, your message will be sent. Try not to force emails out of your outbox before the upload is complete, since that can result in your recipient getting a bad link. Maybe you prefer to attach files to your email the old-fashioned way. You can use the plugin to convert attachments that you've already added to your email message. They'll be added to ShareFile and included in the usual ShareFile banner. You can convert attachments manually, like so, or set an account default to always convert attachments beyond a certain file size. Let's switch gears a bit and talk about requesting files. To add a secure link that your recipients can use to safely upload files to your ShareFile account, click the Request Files button. A link will automatically be added to the body of your email. While you can modify the text that is inserted into the body of your email, try not to mess with the hyperlink that is automatically generated, as that's what your recipient will need to get to your secure ShareFile upload page. Admin users can customize the default appearance of your Request a File link in the web application. Supported accounts now have a workflow option. Use this to begin a workflow, such as approval or feedback. You can choose a file located on your computer or one currently in ShareFile. The menus contain a variety of workflow options and settings to customize how you would like to collaborate with your recipient. When working with our workflow features, the To and CC fields of your email are very important, so make sure that you don't have any typos in there. When you're done selecting your settings, the secure link to your workflow will be included in the ShareFile banner that you've seen earlier in this video. If your account has access to the encrypted email feature, you can encrypt your Outlook message before sending it. To encrypt a message, use the encryption option located here. Once you've turned on encryption, send it. The message your recipient will receive includes a secure link they can use to read the encrypted email and download any attachments. More information about this feature can be found in the ShareFile knowledge base. And those are the primary features of the ShareFile Outlook plugin. You can learn more about deploying admin installations, best practices, and troubleshooting information at the ShareFile knowledge base